Hey guys, this is Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is April 12th, 2015. This is going to be a video chart on ADXS, Advaxis Incorporated. You are looking at a daily chart right now, and the first thing that's apparent is that this stock has been a downright beast, a monster, whatever you want to call it, going from 12 bucks in March to 20 bucks now, going from 6 bucks or 7-8 bucks in February to 20 bucks now. And I mean, last year this stock you could have bought all you wanted for 4 bucks and below. So the obvious is she is in an uptrend in the near term, very strong, good looking stock. You know, you look at this and you say, man, wish I would have bought some of this in the IRA account. So now what do we have going on? Well, personally, it's overbought. That's obvious to me. But overbought conditions can remain overbought, you know, and the stock that is overbought at 20 can become even more overbought at 25 and extremely overbought at 30 bucks. So the fact that it's overbought isn't reason to just start shorting this thing. That hasn't worked. People probably thought it was overbought when it went from 6 to 12. You can see it just kind of consolidated and worked off the overbought condition through time. So what I will say is that you're testing $20. That's a round psychological level, a new price mark, if you will. And I wouldn't be surprised if you did, at the very least, have some sideways go on around 20 bucks and maybe end up coming back down towards this $16 area, as that was minor resistance at the beginning of the month. I want to break out to a weekly chart just to show why I think 20 could be tough. In addition to it being a psychological level, you also have 20 bucks being the highs back in late 2012. I just circled it. Now the one thing I'll say here is there's really no volume. You look down here, you know, nothing like the volume that started to trickle in October of 2013 and has only gotten significantly greater in late December and throughout the rest of this year so far. You know, maybe that has to do with a drug they have. I don't know. I haven't researched the company or anything. I'm just looking at the chart. Bottom line though, 20 bucks, you know, psychologically significant and technical resistance, even with the caveat that there wasn't much volume. Also, you look at this weekly chart, you're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row. So you've been up every week for 2 months now. That's quite a stretch. Again, that's not a reason in and of itself for the stock to roll over or take some time to consolidate, but I do have a hard time committing to further upside right here, right now. Intermediate to longer term, sure. I think, you know, 25, 30 bucks, those are levels that you're likely going to as long as you can hold support above this $16 range. A more aggressive support level that isn't as significant to me, but in the short term could be, is the 18 mark. You had some price action around there on Thursday. And if you were to come below that, that's then to me what would open up a move down towards 16. But if you're holding 18, she looks really good. And hey, if you do surprise someone like me and just blast above 20 bucks, then look for the momentum to continue. Every dollar point is going to be resistance: 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, so on and so forth. So keep your eyes on that. This is a very liquid stock, and it's been a swing trader's dream on the long side, and in a market that hasn't been very kind to swing traders because there hasn't been a broad market move really so far this year. You look at a stock like ADXS and you want to find a way to play it if that's your style in terms of swing trading, because like I said, just a dream move right here from 6 bucks to 20. Maybe doesn't continue right here right now, but above 16 bucks I like it for more highs over the next 3 to 6 months.